Good morning. I am Wing Commander Narendra Kumar Gupta. I am the Secretary of Shobha Garrison Apartment Owners Association. Our community is in Nagasandra, right opposite Nagasandra metro station. We are a community of 310 apartments, which is 19 story, and all apartments are 3 BHK. And we are one of the premium community over here in this area. So in our community we have a 346 kilowatt common area power connection, and our annual bill, our monthly electricity bill comes to about 2.7 lakhs, which we felt is very high. So we thought of reducing this bill, and one of the main focus came to be solar power system, because that's where we can reduce electricity quite a lot. And after doing a lot of deliberations, we chose 50 kilowatt system to start with, considering the financial aspects of it. And so with the 50 kilowatts, we understand we will save almost about 70,000 plus units a year, which is a great saving. And considering the cost in the market, we thought our ROI could be to the tune of about 4 years. So we went ahead with this project. So we chose the best technology which is available in the market, and wherein we also get the subsidy from PM Jan Surya. So we found that the DCR panels with higher watt power capacity, which we go about 600 plus watt power, and we chose the panels of TopCon N-type series bifacial, so that we can get the maximum output from the available space. And finally, after choosing it, we went into the market and we explored it, and we found that almost 6 vendors we deliberated with, and we found Apollo system as with the vendor which came out with the best technology in the market, as well as very reasonable prices. And after doing the full techno-commercial evaluation, we found Apollo system as our vendor, and we negotiated and finally signed an agreement with them to go ahead with a 50 kilowatt on-grid system for our community. So when we signed the agreement, our main constraint was that we wanted to finish this project during this financial year, and so we requested Apollo system that this is the deadline what we work for is 31st March, and we want that the system to be completely operational, so that within the available subsidy of PM Jan Surya for this year, we are able to capitalize on that. And Apollo system took a challenge, this as a challenge, and said we will be able to perform it. And after we signed the agreement, within 2 weeks, Apollo system could get the solar panels over here and started working. And we are so happy that they took this challenge and completed the project, despite we had some constraints within the time period. On 31st of March 2026, we had the BESCOM inspection as well as synchronization of our net metering, and our project became operational as agreed, and highly appreciate the work which is done by Apollo. I think as far as we are concerned, I will say is the best company to work with. They are very highly professional people, and they take up the challenge, and they've given us the complete program schedule. As soon as the agreement was done, within a week after the measurements and all those things are done, and they gave the dates for schedule for everything, and they complied to that. I'm very happy with it. So the professionalism which is shown by the people of Apollo Power System, I think this is exceptional, and on the basis of that, actually we'll be happy to recommend Apollo system for solar power projects, especially in Apartment Owners Association, to whichever community we come in touch, and we recommend to them that this is the best company you can work with. They are highly professional, and they will deliver the project in time. And I have in fact a very big appreciation for the team which has worked over here. That includes our site engineer Mr. Ramakrishna, and the program manager Mr. Harshvardhan, as well as the BD and marketing team, which is Ms. Manjula, Mr. Suresh and Mr. Adhikari. Highly appreciate the proactive work which they have done during the period. Thank you so much.